You do not want to be doing your makeup with dirty makeup brushes. That is a recipe for breakouts and more breakouts. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Ciri here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. Cleaning makeup brushes is a must, especially if you want to keep your skin clear and healthy. I'm going to show you how I keep my makeup brushes clean, and in turn, how I keep my skin from breaking out when I wear all this makeup. If you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. But before I tell you, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. All right, let's hop right to it. All right, so that is how I clean my makeup brushes so that they do not break me out. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, share this video with someone else who needs help cleaning their makeup brushes, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.